we do the ground breaking. Your right hand side, sir. Slowly pull it back. Gently pull it back. That one is lifting the boom. That's enough, sir. Your right hand again, sir. Slowly and gently towards your body. That is scooping the material, sir. That's enough, sir. Your right hand again, sir. Away from your body. Away from your body. That is pouring of the material, sir. That's enough, sir. We come to the left hand side. Slowly and gently push it forward. That is stretching the arm, sir. That's enough, sir. Gently, left hand side, pull it back, sir. That is stretching the arm, sir. Now, we are going to the critical point. Your left hand side. Slowly and gently towards your body. You are going to swing. That's enough, sir. Then, as you come back, slowly and gently away from your body, your left hand, sir. That's enough, sir. Now, we are ready to break the ground. So, your right hand, sir. Slowly push it forward. That's enough, sir. Your left hand, sir. Slowly push it forward. That's enough, sir. Your right hand, sir. Push it forward now to the ground. Keep on pushing, sir. That's enough, sir. Your left hand side, pull it back, sir. Your left hand side, pull it back. Keep on pulling, sir. Your right hand, sir, towards your body. Your right hand towards your body, sir. Slowly. Your left hand, pull it back, sir. Your right hand, stop, sir. Your left hand, pull it back, sir. Keep on pulling, sir. That's enough, sir. Your right hand towards your body, sir. Keep on pulling, sir, towards your body. That's enough, sir. Your right hand, pull it back, sir. Your right hand, pull it back. Keep on pulling, sir. Keep on pulling, sir. Let's go up. Let's go up, sir. That's okay, sir. Your left hand side towards your body, slowly. That's enough, sir. Your right hand away from your body, sir. Away from your body as we pour the materials. That's enough, sir. Your left hand, sir, away from your body. That's enough, sir. Your right hand, sir, push it forward.